Hello, fragrance specialists. My name is Chance. Welcome to my guide, and thank you so much for taking a look at another essential oil breakdown. Today, we're going to be taking a look at vetiver, which is a really cool decorative grass with a pretty lengthy history, I suppose, in terms of both aromatherapy and in perfumery as well. It's really neat stuff. Super common in perfume. Super, like absurdly common. Aromatherapists have been using it for a long time as well. Its uses are wide and varied, which makes it a pretty clear choice for a lot of people. And its price point is around the $30–$35 range, so most people consider it to be quite affordable, and a little goes a long way, which is nice. And now, before we dive into its profile, always consult your doctor before use. Ultimately, you've definitely dealt with this stuff at some point, especially if you wear perfumes, cologne, but you might react harshly to the raw oil, so just err on the side of caution. Now let's dive into its profile. Its scent is most commonly described as earthy, woody, and having a slightly sweet aroma. Its uses are nervous tension, muscular spasm, muscular pain, menstrual cramps, premenstrual syndrome, restlessness, acne, arthritis, cuts, depression, exhaustion, insomnia, muscular aches, oily skin, rheumatism, sores, and stress. Once again, kind of all over the place, but ultimately, it's not a bad thing, right? Method of extraction is steam distilled, and it blends well with frankincense, lemon, red mandarin, orange, juniper berry, sandalwood, and of course ylang ylang. Check out the playlist for all those videos as well. And under notes, you'll just see that it is a possible irritant that more so pertains to its higher concentrations. So of course, make sure you're practicing proper dilution and following best practices, and you should be alright. Now let's look at its history. Vetiver has been used in traditional medicine in South Asia, Southeast Asia, and West Africa. Old Tamil literature mentions the use of vetiver for medical purposes, so you have a pretty lengthy history. Vetiver is used widely in perfumes for its excellent fixative properties. It is contained in 90% of Western perfumes. Vetiver is a more common ingredient in fragrances for men, so that's your colognes, aftershaves, stuff like that. Ultimately, once again, super common. Perfume industry loves this stuff. I feel like that's the vast majority of the reason it's even commercially grown at all. It is a grassy plant, so it's really easy to grow, sprouts really quick. Depending on where you live, you actually probably have it as a decorative plant already, and you might not even know. I don't even know if it'd be worth checking out, but it is pretty cool. A lot of people like it. Now let's take a look at a quick recipe for vetiver here. This one is grounding mist spray. 10 drops cinnamon bark, 10 drops nutmeg, 10 drops clove bud, 30 drops German chamomile, 30 drops red mandarin, and 25 drops of vetiver. And mix it all together with 4 ounces of pure water. Put it in a spray bottle, spritz, and just shake before each use. Really simple. We've done a couple sprays on the channel before. It follows all the same template, right? Really cool stuff. If you don't want to use that much, just change the concentration or the ratio rather accordingly, and you should be alright. Now, let me know what you think of vetiver down beneath in the comment section. Be sure to mention any thoughts, questions, comments, concerns, or even recipes of your own. And of course, if you're looking at getting your hands on any of this stuff, I can only suggest you do so using Rocky Mountain Oils. Links down beneath in the description. They're a great company, great prices, and they do help support the channel, so it's always nice. And with everything out of the way, I hope you have a great day, and may all of your future endeavors smell divine.